7 minutes, we're going to pick up a truck. Well, AJ's picking up a truck.
We're going to pick up a 103,000 mile 3rd gen. Doesn't run, but we think we know what the problem is. So AJ is going to do what AJ does, and maybe one of you guys will end up buying it.
Let's go buy a fucking 3rd gen, eh?
3rd gen?
Watch, I'm gonna get in trouble for making fun of Canadian people.
Oh, yeah.
Tired of Kate filming me. It's a fucked up hair.
Nice bean, bro.
Think that's funny? See this? Big marketplace listing? Pending. See that? There she is. Clean old 3rd gen. Look at that. See that wiggle stick?
Yep.
So this truck has 104,000 miles on it. Good old NV5600. And it doesn't run. Alright, yeah, crank no start. Ain't no thing for... Sorry about your 2G swap orders, guys. They're gonna get pushed one more day because I want to go buy something cool.
Getting ready. About to dip.
I just want to make sure I had the price right. Yo, T-Can, is that you? I'm in my exact cut. This looks for. That's Floppy's here.
So, as you can see, 3 minutes out. How you feeling, AJ?
I feel like I hope this truck isn't a piece of shit. I'm gonna be pissed.
How are you feeling about this?
Well, we got the Rush Brothers here. Low key, you have the rustiest
That's in
truck.
the past. We've been clean for the past
if
like
you
5
think
years.
if you think about it, you and Dad bought your truck, which is rusty as fuck. When the cab came off. No, when you got it.
We've been driving for 19 and a half hours. I'm ready to get out of this truck.
Oh my god.
I think my asshole just fell out.
Now we're 456. Hour 6347. Actually, fucking tired of driving. I'll drive back. Listen, buddy. What, buddy?
The fuck?
This is a nice load up area, though. Top tier.
Burn barrels for 20 bucks. That's country, bro. Well, lo and behold, there she is. Damn. All right. Oh. Ugh.
Honestly, it's cleaner. Look at this truck. That's a good.
Well, first thing, needs a new bed.
Bro. AJ.
What? That? Oh, that's good. I mean, no one's stealing it. But like cab corners were definitely done.
Sorry.
Good old mug trailer. Oh my god.
Bit of a sure track. This bed is sure fucked. Throw some clears in it.
How's it smell?
Good.
Look at the headliner.
Oh shit, it does smell good.
Oh shit, the headliner.
It's a 5-speed?
NV5600.
6-speed usually. I gotta piss so bad.
On the new truck, bro.
Bass knob is mid. Turn that shit right up. Treble. Turn that shit up.
What you thinking?
I'm trying to figure out what's up with the trans thing because that doesn't make sense.
What new parts are you putting in?
Manifold, turbo, all new brakes, hydro booster. Is there a sub in there or something?
No, this is for the plow mount.
No, I saw. Oh. This is so weird, dude.
Yeah, we're just picking his truck apart and the guy is in here.
Got a green belt.
Oh, I think it's a race truck.
That's like 5 hours.
What do you think?
I think it's worth what you would get it for.
So, we're taking her home.
You guys will never believe this. It's a fucking Hemi.
With an NV in it.
full.
We'll just push it up if we have to. Did not know a third gen could come with an NV4500. That's crazy. Crazy. I was pumped about that 5600. That's really tight.
Yeah.
Down. Oh, this motherfucker is frosty, bro. Water.
Well, if you can't tell, it started pouring. Well, it's gonna start pouring.
That's why you had to bring a skid steer back.
Yeah, and we're racing to figure out how to strap this thing. There you go. Yeah.
I like that more.
Yep.
This thing's more crossing than third gen.
Yeah.
God damn.
Cold as a motherfucker.
We call a farm truck.
You want to go in or out? Like from
The tile protecting me. Would you like a tile?
I'm good. I'm good.
Hello, tile, I am. This tile is big. I'll get both of us together on it.
you pissed on me.
Yeah, you said you like golden showers. What's wrong with the clear
I
one?
don't like toilet showers.
I guess AJ was right. We should have just sat in the truck for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
That's what's wrong with that. The problem is, it's not long enough for me to do my goddamn,
Yes, it
the
is.
trucker,
You can still do it.
trucker, by the
Then right there.
speed.
Yep. Why the fuck would you do that?
Can you hurry up, bro? It looks cleaner on the trailer. It looks cleaner.
Brake line.
It does. All right. Well,
I think that's a good fucking buy right there. Yeah. I think that was a really good buy.
She checks out. Thank
CMS
you.
Touch coming soon.
Thank
Get
you.
in the
2612's loading.
All right. Well, time to hit the road.
If it runs, 2612 is going out tomorrow.
3 days later.
It ain't running.
It's not. Yet. Yeah.
3G was the biggest financial mistake we've ever made here at CMS. Anyway, so we got the new ECM in. So for you 3G guys, because I knew nothing about these early third gens until now. So basically what happened was OBD wouldn't read, ECM was fried, kind of, but not like, there's no big signs on the dash or anything that was fried, but ECM wouldn't connect to a scan tool, so, and it wouldn't turn the fuel pump on. So my buddy Tommy had a few ECMs we've tried. One of them looked promising. We had connection to the ECM. Everything worked, but it would not start. It sounded like the PCM would not connect with the ECM. So we spent like 3 days, ton of labor, nothing. Sad day. Anyways, we went through 3 CB3 pumps, and now there's a 2018 CB3 in there, retrofitted. And it has rail pressure. We found it had a bad connector tube, so it's got rail, but it won't start. And then I kept reading up on this whole skim key thing because the ECM should connect to the PCM. And this truck happens to have no skim system. So if you look right here by the key, there's no RFID reader or anything like that. So either two things. I'm hoping that it came with no skim, really early 03, or someone removed it and this is going to be a whole thing. So I'm pretty sure the truck didn't have it, which means the ECM I had it, so I was looking for a code that it didn't have. So here we are, buying a $1,500 ECM. If it doesn't start, then you probably won't see another video of me, because I'm going to probably do something else in my life. Nah, I'm just kidding. We're going to get it running. That's kind of how it's looking. So 3G don't run. But I just called this place and I'm gonna pay a ton of money for an ECM, and it's supposed to be pre-programmed. I'm hoping you slap it in and the PCM connects and the injectors fire and this truck runs. And then we're gonna do some stuff to it. And yeah.
And theoretically, that should fix the problem.
That's
theoretically.
like the only thing me and ChatGPT can come up with, honestly. Me, Evan, and ChatGPT. That's, I mean, we've tried 6 different scan tools. I had a special skim tool that got in, wouldn't connect, so Yeah.
That's it.
If you're a 3G guy, you need an ECM. It's a lot harder than just replacing an ECM. And you should probably buy a new one and don't put a donor one in. 'Cause it doesn't work. It might work. It didn't work for us.
Yep.
We had shit luck. But we'll see. It's like 3 to 8 days. Crazy range for that ECM ships. And there'll be a part 2 of this, hopefully of it running. If not, then this truck will probably disappear.
Well, we'll keep you guys updated on it. Hopefully you see another video of this thing, which you probably will. Knock on wood, even though there's no wood in here.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, wait, yes, there is. Hold on. Wait. I mean, that's pretty much
That's
it.
a 3G. It's going to be running next week, so we're going to figure it out. You don't give up around here. I don't like third gens anymore. That's basically it.
Well,
Talking about early Cummins, got the 1G that's been sitting here for a fat minute. And someone's going to paint the roll pan. Maybe around me, I don't know. And we're going to do some stuff to it. And we're considering selling it. So if you like it, it's a very clean truck. If you want it, it'll probably be for sale at Custom L Shapes Auto Sales.
oh, I like that one. CMS Auto Sales.
Only thing we got to fix is that door panel. Typical first gen things. Other than that, I mean, this thing hasn't been started in a long time. And watch this. Unlike a third gen.
Wait, hold on. Let's get a little... Fires right up.
Crank, baby.
Half a fucking
Take a
crank.
little look around if they want.
Yeah.
It's dirty right now. Well, we slapped some 2212 KG1 rays on it. We did a level in the front. We did a fuel pin, governor springs, and I have maybe 50 miles on the truck since I've got it. First, like a kid, you figured out how to do the latch every time. I think I feel like Dory right now. I just forget every time.
She's a beaut, dude. She sounds amazing, too. Hell yeah.
While we're here, we're gonna blow Lucas's cover. He's doing some master sound system thing. Got all the amps, all the wires.
Dude, look at the size of that fucking amp.
All the interior ripped apart.
Look at the size of the wire.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's a different language for me. I don't know anything
Yeah.
about this, but
I'm not.
should sound dope.
I don't do electric.
Me neither. Especially when it comes to a third gen.
Yeah.
We got Lucas over here doing some track bars, coil spring bars on a
5G.
Yo, shout out to Dilly Details, bro.
The blue collar rig.
5G.
Thing looks mad clean right now.
Shined it up yesterday. Thing's got a little lean to it.
It does have a
Got
little
that New
lean
York
to it.
lean.
That New York lean.
It's like that. If you can't tell it's leaning, but it's leaning. Other than that, shop has been pretty busy, so we haven't been making too many videos because third gen has been pissing everyone off. And yeah, so that's basically it with that.
Well, wrap it up.